You know see a be a bumbuckler TikToker dead. Busted, we busted do. We busted do. Bad you know, what go my dog? We busted do. Busted up on the map and Nicki Minaj company dog live and what there. Come give the dog a bumbuckler explosion. And look what you do. You see what you bumbuckler do to great youth. You see what society do to great youth. That's when you see when man do. That's when you see man do bumbuckler certain things. You don't for complain. Because society said the bumbuckler thing from day one. I want to from day one society set the thing away. I want to know. Boss said they on him live every day. Boss said they on him live every day to bumbuckler. And boss said they do anything for please the girl them. And a bumbuckler, boss said they no go kill. You know see say the bumbuckler world, the bumbuckler level. Dirty. I saw me come around after your turn on, you know. Because I have to run from the front dead, you know. And some look at dopey butter. Dirty. I show me all the thing, you know, my time. I say, John, no, that busted, brother. Busted, dog. Where all the apple go. Come make a joke thing that not a nice dog for no sale. A 2 hour bumbuckler co-worker that go on, you know. A 2 hour bumbuckler co-worker that go on, gone, you know. If nobody no feel no way, I feel a way. Bumbuckler, man. Spice talk, I feel a bumbuckler to way. A fuck crew now go on with. Yeah, me I tell you now, a fuck crew now go on with, dog. Busted a real youth. Busted a real bumbuckler youth. I see people draw busted. And busted whole bumbuckler composer. How much I know can hold composer when people draw out? How much I know can hold composer when people draw? I fuck around a day with bad man. How much more our fellow co-worker, our fellow TikToker, we are going to lose. How much more we are going to lose. So that means that me as a TikToker for there and just a bumbuckler threat then. Come like a bumbuckler joke thing chat. And it's a joke bumbuckler thing. Everybody in our chat, R.I.P. busted, bumbuckler man. A joke thing. And all know me not hear where go on where them kill the dog for. Me no know what go on, me no know where them kill the dog for. Me just see a picture. I think of the bumbuckler glean and I see put it up. See a picture, everybody I say, busted, R.I.P. busted just get shot. Father God, guide them, Jesus Christ, today the dog birthday, you know. At what time now? Later the dog birthday in a couple minutes from now, the dog birthday in a dog. Bumbuckler, Father God, protect me, please. Father God, protect me, please. Please, me I beg you, Father God, protect me, Father God. Because all heap of pussy out there want to see man pan dirt. Yeah, that. So I want, Father God, more you protect me, Father God. Yeah, that. Yo, you want spell over here, you know. I tell you, say one blood class spell over here, you know. And you know, yo, bumbuckler, brother. A fuck crew now go on with the youth. Father God, cover me. Cover me in every way and guide me step. No make me go nowhere where me not for go. No make me see nothing where me not for see. No make me hear nothing where me not for hear. Bumbuckler, Father God. No, sir, come make a joke thing this the pussy class. A joke. A joke. Hold on, man. Somebody in the chat tell me if I joke. Chat, tell me if I joke. Bumbuckler, man. See Sonia? See Sonia? As whole me I go play and hear say the bumbuckler killer. Father God, why? Why, Father God? Why, Father God?